In this video, we're going to take a look at how to favorite songs, albums, and artists, and then how to find your favorites to listen to later inside of Apple Music on an iPhone. Favoriting or loving music was a feature a long time ago back with iTunes. With the latest release of iOS 17 though, Apple has finally brought it back, and you may find that music that you favorited in the past is actually still inside of your library. First, let's take a look at how to favorite an individual song. While the song is playing, if you're not already on the currently playing screen, tap the track here on the bottom. Next, here to the right of the song, you'll see the favorite star. Tap that, and the song will then be added to your favorites. If you made a mistake and you want to unfavorite a track, you can quickly do this by tapping the three dots here, and then choosing undo favorite. But let's say we really like the entire album and we want to favorite the whole thing. Head back to the album page here with all of the track listings. Next, tap the three dots on the top right of the screen, and then inside of here, choose Favorite. It'll then favorite the entire album, and you can tell by the red star next to the album name here. We can even take it one step further then and favorite the entire artist. To do that, tap the artist name here to be taken to the artist profile page. Now inside of here, you'll see the favorite star on the top right of the screen. Tap this to favorite the artist. And again, if you want to undo that, just tap the three dots here, and then choose Undo Favorite. Now that we have some music favorited, let's see where we can find them. Start by choosing Library down here at the bottom of the page. We'll start by viewing all of our favorited songs. Choose Songs here from the Library menu. By default, you're going to see everything in your library, but to view only the songs that you've favorited, tap the three lines here on the top right, and then filter by favorited. You'll then see a list of only the songs that you favorited over time. To reset this view, tap the three lines again, and then choose All Songs. You can then do this with each type that you favorited, like albums or artist. Again, just head back to the library page, choose the type that you want to view, like artist, and then tap the three-line menu button, and then filter by favorited. And that's how you add and then find favorited songs and more inside of Apple Music on your iPhone.